Join me as I take on the challenge to get fit and healthy without breaking the bank. Let's see how far I can go on a shoestring budget. Getting fit and healthy doesn't have to break the bank. In fact, with a few simple tweaks to your lifestyle, you can achieve your fitness goals without overspending. And that's exactly what we're going to explore in this video. One of the biggest misconceptions people have is that being healthy has to be expensive. We've all seen those fancy gyms and fitness studios with their high-end equipment and pricey membership fees. But the truth is, you don't need to break the bank to get in shape. In fact, some of the most effective workouts can be done from the comfort of your own home, or even outdoors for free. Another challenge people face is finding the time and motivation to stick to a fitness routine. We've all been there. We start strong, but after a few weeks, our enthusiasm wanes, and we find ourselves back on the couch, binge-watching our favorite TV shows. But what if I told you that there are ways to stay motivated and on track, even on a tight budget? Add to that the fact that healthy food can be pricey, and it's no wonder people think that getting fit and healthy is only for those with deep pockets. But what if I told you that there are ways to eat healthy without breaking the bank? From meal prep to shopping smart, there are plenty of tips and tricks to help you stay on track. Let's explore some affordable fitness options that don't require a gym membership or fancy equipment. For starters, you can do bodyweight exercises at home, or even try online workout videos that are totally free. You can also take advantage of outdoor activities like hiking, biking, or even just going for a walk. And if you're looking for a sense of community, many cities offer free or low-cost fitness classes in local parks or community centers. For example, I recently discovered a free outdoor yoga class in my local park, and it's been a game changer. Not only do I get to stay active, but I also get to connect with like-minded people who share my fitness goals. And the best part? It's totally free. Another option is to try online fitness communities, where you can connect with other fitness enthusiasts, get motivation, and even find workout buddies. Another impactful strategy is to focus on high-intensity interval training, or HIIT. This type of workout is not only effective but also time-efficient, meaning you can get a great workout in just a few minutes a day. And the best part? You can do it anywhere, anytime, without any special equipment. When I incorporated HIIT into my routine, I saw a huge difference in my energy levels and overall fitness. What I love about HIIT is that it's super flexible. You can do it at home, in a park, or even in a hotel room if you're traveling. Plus, it's a great way to boost your metabolism and burn fat, even when you're not actively working out. And did I mention it's free? No gym membership required. But the most impactful tip I can give you is to focus on progressive overload. This means gradually increasing the intensity of your workouts over time, either by adding weight, reps, or sets. This not only helps you see results faster but also keeps your workouts interesting and engaging. And the best part? You can apply it to any workout routine, whether you're doing bodyweight exercises or weightlifting. When I started focusing on progressive overload, I saw a huge difference in my fitness level. I was able to do more, lift heavier, and even saw changes in my body composition. And the best part? It's not about spending more money, it's about being consistent and challenging yourself to be your best. Getting fit and healthy on a budget is totally possible, it just takes a bit of creativity and resourcefulness. By incorporating affordable fitness options, focusing on high-intensity interval training, and applying progressive overload, you can achieve your fitness goals without breaking the bank. Thanks for joining me on this fitness journey. If you have any budget-friendly fitness tips to share, please leave them in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about staying healthy on a shoestring budget, be sure to check out my next video for more insights.